Hello, Internet. I am Shaurinash. I am a first year student at Chanakya National Law University, Patna, Bihar. Chanakya National Law University, Patna, Bihar. And more importantly, I'm a CLAT 2026 aspirant. My internship break started in mid November with the ending of my end semesters, which I'm very grateful about because most of the NLUs that I see and that I have heard of, they have their end semesters in December. So for me, being a partial dropper while staying in college and preparing for CLAT, I had a very hard time, juggling between college and CLAT. Given that there were not a lot of advisors other than my mentor, who is an HNLU graduate. Other than my mentor, I did not really have a lot of advisors, and I did not really have figures on the internet as well that had cleared CLAT while being in a college. So, for example, like me, right? I am in a college. There are some other friends of mine in the group of that mentorship that are in college, and they have to juggle between CLAT and 6, 7, CAT. They have to juggle between CLAT and college. But कैसे कैसे करके I, got done with my end semesters, and as I said, one of the things that I'm grateful about for my college is that it's pretty chill. The mahal is pretty chill there, so it's not very rigorous uh, as such. And end semesters khatam ho gaye. So I had around 21 days from mid-November to CLAT 2026, and I thought of giving all of me in these 21 days. So my hometown is West Champaran. I shouldn't be doing this actually. I will be doing this after the exam is done because this kind of feels like time waste. Does this? I don't know. Okay. So all in all, to summarize it all, I thought of documenting these 7 days to go for CLAT. Here I am. And the agenda for today is gonna be a heck lot of GK because I'm lagging behind in GK a lot, as most of the CLAT aspirants are. I saw the sample paper of GK, and as we all know, it had mentioned logical reasoning there instead of GK, so that was stupid. And yeah, one of those stupid things that I find in the instructions itself is that this does not guarantee the pattern of the paper. It's not indicative at all. Then why the fuck have you given it, bro, in the first place? Like, come on. Never mind. We're not gonna cuss at CLAT because we did that a lot after CLAT 2025. So I'm gonna give CLAT a chance. Let's give CLAT a chance. Whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna to list out what I'm gonna do today. I am gonna do a lot of GK. I am gonna attempt a mock, which is gonna be a series mock, which is gonna be a coaching mock, which I'm not gonna name because obviously, haven't they paid? Like, have they paid me? No, they have not. Have I paid them? Yes, I have. So I'm gonna give a mock, and then I'm gonna analyze that mock and do a heck lot of QT and AR because these are the places that I'm lagging at. The analysis will cover LR, CR, and RC for me because I have pretty good uh, skill base in that. Other than that, GK and QT are the things that I lacked on. One of the reasons that I did not get into the top three colleges in the top three colleges last year was that the two major reasons were that I was not uh, good with GK, and I had a time management issue. So if I could manage my time effectively, I would have had more time left for uh, another set of QT that if I had solved, I would have gotten like 6 out of 6. Because guess what set I left? The easiest set, जिसमें कॉल कैलकुलेशन था ही नहीं जो आरसी था. So that was stupid. So yeah, I guess I've worked on those shortcomings of mine, and I guess I am kind of good to go for CLAT. But Ram Ram, fingers crossed, Hare Krishna, we're not gonna say much. So this is it. I'm gonna update. You're not gonna know because there's gonna be just a frame change. But yeah, I'm gonna update in the afternoon and then in the night and get done with this video. So yeah, 7 days to go. 7 days to go, guys. 30th of November. Must be.